Hello producers and welcome to CEO Nation Z. In this video we're going to be going over how to copy and paste effects in FL Studio. So you may actually have been trying to copy and paste effects in FL Studio only to find out that the normal Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V wouldn't help you at all. But it's actually very simple and very straightforward. So as you can see on this our insert 1, we have this effect. As you can see, we have a parametric EQ, a fruity chorus, we have a sound godizer, a parametric EQ again, a sound godizer again, and a fruity limiter and a limiter at the end. And you can see where our fader is, you can see where our stereo separation is, and well, that is that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these effects and paste it right here in insert 18. So how we go about this is you go hover over the channel you want to copy from, you right click, then you go over to file, and then on file you can see save mixer track state as. So what you do here is that you don't just click on it. What you do is you drag it, you click and drag, and then as you can see what you don't do is you hover it over the channel you want to paste it on, and then you release it, and then as that it has copied all the effects that were in insert 1 over to insert 18. And if you notice also it's copied also the fader. As you can see the fader level is the same with insert 1, and also the stereo separation is also the same with insert 1. So what happened is that it's copied everything, all the effects. As you can see everything is the same. The parametric EQ, the chorus is the same, the sound godizer is the same, and all the effects are copied. It's just a copy and paste of everything. So let's say you actually want to just copy one effect from the rack and not all the effects, you just want to copy one. The way you do that is also the same process, but instead of you clicking on right clicking on the insert itself, you go to the effect you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy this fruity parametric EQ over here. I click on it here, and then I now go over to save preset as, and you just do the same thing. You click and you drag, and then you hover it over the insert you want to paste, over the channel you want to paste it on. So let's say I want to paste it on 19 here, just release it, and that is that. We have the parametric EQ over there. You can see the mixer is still the same, the mono is still the same, everything is still the same, but I just copied that effect and the exact same values and presets and everything. And that is that. That is just simply how to copy and paste effects in FL Studio.
So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching on to the end. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, comment down below your challenges in music production, and I will get you covered. Please do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos I post. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.